Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a PF-11 auger filler by Perfel. We've recently reconditioned the unit. We've added a new control system here. This is an automation direct system, and right now you'll see on the screen it says no power. When we hit the emergency stop, you'll see it says ready to start. You can turn your power on right here, and it tells you it's waiting for the fill signal. Now it can be filled two ways, either using a single impulse here, and you'll hear the auger rotate. You can manually operate it by holding this in as long as you like, for instance, to empty the hopper. We've got it set up to run on a small foot pedal here. You can see the auger inside. If you need to change, you go here, your preset. Now you'll see we're doing 750 pulses. 250 pulses is the approximate around there. So if we clear that, and let's say we go to 950 pulses, enter, turn to the main, and you'll hear it's slightly longer. Very simple, easy to operate. We're operating on 223 phase voltage. All the contacts are stainless steel sanitary. We do have lots of augers in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, where you see our entire inventory online. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.